grade ESL students, it's Miss DeCaesar back again. All right, picture prompt. Level 1, who do you see? What is the man doing? How does the girl feel, and what does the girl want? Level 2, how does the girl feel, and why do you think she feels that way? Do you ever feel like this girl, or are you sometimes like the man? Do you think this is a common problem? Explain. A common problem means it happens a lot. All right, so we've got rainforest. So number 1, we were asked for words that mean wet. We've got moist, soaked, dewy, damp, drenched, and soggy. Number 2 was asking why the author used bullet points. The author chose to use bullet points because it would have been confusing to put all those numbers in a paragraph. Putting them in a bulleted list made the information easy to read and understand. Okay, which of these is not true about the word rainforest? It is not a proper noun. Okay, so we have she has seen the monkey, the toucans have big beaks, those snakes have fangs, and the rainforest has a lot of bugs. All right, use the line scribble. So slither, slide, and hiss. I hope those sound effects reminded you of a snake. So that's all you had to do was draw a snake. All right, number 6, let me zoom in, jeez. Zoom in. Okay, many rainforest plants are helpful for treating illnesses. Tarantulas look scary, but are harmless to humans. Insects are plentiful on the forest floor of the rainforest, and the crocodile lay motionless, waiting for its prey to approach. All right, same thing. We've got rivers now. All right, zooming in. For number 1, underline the plural nouns in each sentence. Most of the world's big cities are located near rivers. People and beavers build dams across rivers. Number 2. Zoom out. Oops. Oops. Nope, I'm all over the place here. Okay. Most rivers begin high in the mountain. Water from melting snow and falling rain runs down the slope, following natural cracks and crevices in the land. These small streams join together, growing larger until they become a river. Over many years, the flowing water shapes the land, creating ravines, valleys, and canyons. Rivers flow faster in the mountains because the land is steeper. As the land flattens out, the current slows down and the river gets wider. A river can empty into another river, a lake, or the ocean. Which text structure was used to write this passage? Was it compare and contrast, problem and solution, description, sequence, or cause and effect? And how do you know? In the river, write adjectives that describe rivers, and you can just list those. That's really cool how they did that. Which of these does not mean a small river? So this might be tricky. You might not know, but give it a guess. Okay. Number 5, fill in the blanks with automatopoeia. Remember, automatopoeia is just sound effect. Okay, it's a big fancy word for that. Okay, so we've got the word bank, splash, trickled, and babbling. So which ones? Okay. And then let's see if you can find an example of alliteration in one of the sentences. And if you don't know what that is, I will let you know next time, but I want to see if you can figure it out. Okay. 6, add a coordinating conjunction. Remember, conjunction, junction. What's your function? Okay, do you remember that video we watched to make those 2 simple sentences into one compound sentence? What were those words that we used? Do you remember? Okay, see if you can remember. All right, listening. Back up here. All right, so last time we had this cute little playground. Oops. With the slide and the swings. All right, now we've got a little girl and she's planting. So draw a boy digging in dirt in the lower right corner. Draw a water can between the kids. Draw a mound of dirt above the watering can. Draw a worm near the mound of dirt. Draw a sun in the upper left corner. Draw a row of 12 carrot tops in dirt mounds under the sun. Draw a row of 9 sprouts in dirt mounds under the carrot tops. And then if you want, you can color the picture. All right, so last time we had the little girl and her mom. So I wrote, they are looking outside, they are looking at something, they are looking at something outside, they are looking at something outside and talking about it. Okay. So our next one is this cute little bear eating his fish. Okay, so same exact thing, working on writing some better sentences. Okay. All right, Granny's Kitties. All right, so we had this little girl. She took her slingshot. She got the boy. She hurt him, and the mom was very mad. She's facing the music. Facing the music means accepting those consequences. You are going to get yelled at. You know you're going to get yelled at, and you just kind of accept it, and you take your punishment, and that's it. That's facing the music. Okay, last one is elbow room. What does it mean to have elbow room or not have elbow room? Okay. All righty. I'll see you next time.